Burger King has introduced robots at some of its locations, particularly in countries like South Korea and Japan, as part of a shift toward automation in fast food services. These robots are primarily designed to improve customer service and efficiency. They can take orders, handle payments, and even deliver food to tables, minimizing direct human contact. In some places, robots are also used in kitchens to prepare or assemble simple items, ensuring consistency in food quality and helping reduce labor costs. The implementation of these robots is part of a broader trend in fast food industries where companies are exploring automation to streamline operations, especially in response to rising labor costs and changing customer preferences, like the demand for contactless service. However, robots in these fast food roles are still in the experimental phase, and companies are evaluating their effectiveness and customer feedback before implementing them on a larger scale. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. O kalimrobot wala.